Hi, I'm Dale MacKay, and today we're going to be making a delicious and very simple pulled chicken taco using Pace Salsa Verde. So we're going to get right into it. We're going to add our chicken into our pot. They've been cut into 1-inch strips. Then I'm going to add my low sodium Campbell's chicken broth. Next, our barbecue sauce. Then a 1/4 cup of our Pace Salsa Verde. We're gonna give that a quick stir. Now that we brought our chicken thighs to a simmer, we're just gonna turn down to low heat. We're gonna place our lid on and cook for 20 minutes. Our chicken's been cooking for 20 minutes now. We're gonna take our lid off carefully. Grab a wooden spoon and start breaking up the chicken, or essentially pulling it. We're gonna turn our heat up to medium-high, and then continue to reduce down that liquid until the chicken's nicely glazed. Now our chicken's nicely pulled and glazed. We're just gonna put this off to the side and get on our salsa. Now we're gonna make a quick salsa. So we're gonna take our pineapple, our green onions, avocado, fresh cilantro. Just give that a quick mix. Just gonna put that off to the side. I'm gonna grab my tortilla shells. Now all we have to do is build. So, I'm gonna take a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna place that down the center. Next, a little bit of our pulled chicken. Again, right down the center. A little bit of our salsa right across the top. Now just a few little dollops of some sour cream. Now finishing with my favorite, which is our Pace Salsa Verde. And there we go, a nice and simple pulled chicken taco using Pace Salsa Verde. If you want this recipe and many more, you can go to food.crs.